This is Deepak. Welcome to our channel. You can also visit us at www.techfacts.com. Today I am here to represent you one of the recent trending topic for the optical communication. So the topic that we are covering right now is basically the WDM systems by using different modulation schemes, right? So what we have done, we have done it with the NRZ, RZ, and one is the Manchester. We have implemented all the three modulation schemes for the WDM systems, and an analysis has been performed for this. So by changing number of the values in these simulations, we can provide an advancements, right? So the concepts, which technique, which modulation scheme will be best, right? So such kind of things will be better for the optical system especially, right? So let's have a look how it works. So this is the opti system that we have used. I'm running right now WDM RZ. These are the subsystems. Let me show you that what exactly is there in the subsystems. So look inside. So you can see here are the signal that we are transmitting. Mach gender modulator is being used, RZ pulse generator is being used here, and later the communication is done by the mux and the demuxing by using the optical fiber communication. Low pass Bessel filter is used at the receiver end so that the bit rate can be reduced. So this is one of the system only. In rest of the systems we have implemented some advancements also and analyzed that which system is giving us the better results. So for running it, here is a play button. When I am clicking on this, you can see calculation of the whole project is by default click, and when I clicking on the play button, so it is processing the whole model. So once it is done, it will show you the simulation time, that how much it is taken. So you can close it and perform the analysis on the bit error BER analyzer. When I am clicking on this, you can see the quality factor is being calculated, max QR, minimum BER, eye height, threshold, and decision NST value is calculated. You can also see the graphical representation of these things, that Q factor, this is the minimum BER, BER with respect to changing of the time, threshold value, that is amplitude of the signal, BER analyzer, height of the signal, right, that is in the form of the what exactly the signal we are receiving, what is the BER pattern. So these are the analysis factors and the patterns that we want to show. If you want to see the eye diagram, you can click over here and can get the eye diagram, that what exactly the impact on the signal. As you all know, by analyzing the eye diagram, the output of the signal can be easily analyzed and specific performance can be done. So by changing number of the factors in these systems, improvement can be shown. I'm showing you now the NRZ model. So when I'm running this, I'm directly running the model and showing you the result, that what kind of results we are achieving. So now if I'm going for this, you can see the curve is bit improved, and the eye diagram is much clearer than with respect to the previous system. Okay, so this is how we can analyze that how different models are working for the optical communication, and by changing the parameters, by changing the optical length and many other factors. So stay tuned to get more ideas for such research topics, and can easily be implemented. Basically designing a model in opti system is easy, but providing an advancement, changing the factors, what will be the impact on the output, that is bit confusing for some of the newcomers. So here we are available for you guys to get an idea that what exactly you can do and how it can be implemented. Even you can have these codes directly. So stay tuned to our network and get up to date. Hope you people like this video. For more related research topics, you can visit us at www.techfacts.com. Thanks for watching the video.